Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Stuck choosing between the Sony E55 to 210mm and the Nikon ZDX 16 to 50mm? It's a classic zoom versus wide-angle dilemma. Think of it. Are you a wildlife photographer or a street snapper?
The Sony 55 to 210mm looks like it means business. That telephoto reach is tempting, but at 12.2 ounces, how does it handle on a longer shoot?
It's surprisingly balanced, actually. Imagine nailing that shot of a hawk circling a mile away. Plus, it's got that direct manual focus, so you can fine-tune even during autofocus.
The Nikon 16 to 50mm is tiny, barely over an inch thick when retracted. Perfect for travel. But can such a small lens deliver sharp images?
Absolutely. It's incredibly sharp for its size, especially with the vibration reduction kicking in. Think crisp landscapes and vibrant street scenes, all in your pocket.
Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Zoom range and stabilization. This is where the rubber meets the road.
The Sony lens gives you that massive 55 to 210mm reach, equivalent to 82.5 to 315mm on a full-frame camera. Great for isolating subjects, but the f/4.5 to 6.3 aperture means you'll need decent light.
True, it's not the fastest lens, but that optical steady shot is a lifesaver, right? Does it compensate for the narrower aperture in low light?
It definitely helps. You can get away with slower shutter speeds, reducing blur. Plus, it's fantastic for smooth video, even handheld. Say goodbye to shaky footage.
The Nikon lens goes wide, 16 to 50mm. Perfect for capturing expansive scenes or squeezing everyone into a group photo. And it boasts up to 4.5 stops of vibration reduction. How effective is that?
Seriously effective. You can shoot handheld at surprisingly slow speeds and still get sharp results. Plus, the minimum focus distance is only 8 inches at the wide end, so you can get some cool close-ups too.
So, the Sony is reach and stabilization for distant subjects, while the Nikon is compact versatility with excellent VR. Tough choice.
Exactly. Think about asterisk what you shoot. Wildlife and sports? Sony. Travel and everyday life? Nikon.
If you're chasing that perfect shot of a soaring eagle or a game-winning touchdown, the Sony 55 to 210mm is your weapon of choice.
But if you want a lens that's always ready for anything, from stunning landscapes to candid street portraits, the Nikon 16 to 50mm is the clear winner. Both are great renewed options, saving you some cash. Now go out there and capture some amazing images. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.